G'day guys, Outback Outlaw here. How you going? Just gonna do some unboxings. I got a package in the mail just the other day, and I got a letter. Got a couple of letters, and I got another package that Summer bought me. So stick around. Gonna check it out. So first one that I got in the mail the other day was this letter here. So this one came from the letter G. So inside the letter is a written note from Moto G-Spot. G'day Outback Outlaw, you'll probably receive this in the year 2042. Almost. So I hope I'm still around. Lol, thank you for all your support and your wicked sense of humour. You're one of a kind. Cheers, O-G. Thanks very much, Moto G-Spot. So got a bit of a spam card here. Pretty cool. It's another one here. And if you don't know Moto G-Spot, I'd subscribe to him. He's a bloke in Victoria who does some pretty cool motor vlogs. I actually quite like his take on doing motor vlogs, and sometimes he does motor vlogs without any speaking whatsoever. Those are stickers actually, by the way. Just talking to myself. And here is a magnet, so I'm pretty stoked that I got these in the mail. So thanks very much, Moto G-Spot. Make sure you subscribe. The next thing I got in the mail that's my registration. I better pay that. The next thing I got in the mail was a package in this box. This box came all the way from Colorado. Inside the box is a plastic bag. And that plastic bag has the Indian logo on it. So there's only one place that this package could have come from, and that's from Homebees, Karen and Mark. Have to be. Open up the letter. Outback Outlaw, we want to send a thank you. We were out shopping at our local Harley Davidson store, and I told Mark I wanted to send you a shirt, but I then remembered Outback Outlaw rides an Indian. So off to the Indian store we went, just to thank you for always being a strong supporter in the people you believe in, and just being OO. I also got Mrs. 90 and a poker chip from the Harley store. Homebees, Karen and Mark. Thank you, Karen and Mark. If you haven't subscribed to Karen and Mark, you need to get onto it. From Homebees. There's the poker chip that Karen and Mark got for summer. Harley Davidson one. Is it going to yeah, it doesn't look like it. Anyway, doesn't matter. And another magnet. Pretty cool. Thank you, Karen and Mark. And inside the box is an awesome Indian black t-shirt, black shirt. It's a button-up shirt. How cool is that? I'm gonna have to wear that. Definitely gonna have to wear that. Got a couple of Indian shirts. Bought a couple of Indian shirts when we were in Memphis. earlier this year. So it was the first Indian motorcycle shop that I'd actually been in, apart from the one I went and bought my Indian in Darwin in Northern Territory. But there was only 5 bikes in that shop. And then a package that came in the mail from Teespring is this shirt, and Summer got this for me. Rock on, ride on. And on the back, iSpike. There you go. The global bikers and trikers nation. So if you haven't subscribed to iSpike, he does a program in Australia every Thursday, Friday and Sunday morning. In the States, it's obviously different days. I can't remember what the days are. I'll put a link in the description for you, and I'll put a link at some stage on the video. So thank you very much to everybody that sent me letters and packages, Moto G-Spot, Karen and Mark, and thank you to Summer for getting this shirt from iSpike. So have a good one, guys. It's Outback Outlaw, and I'll see you on the road. Catch you later.